sweet potatoes. Say ah. Try it. Mmm. Mmm. Is it good? Is it good?
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Here, let's try a little more. You want to try it? Here. No? No? You want to try a little more? Grammy has a 3-bite rule. You want to try it? Oh, baby, it's not so bad. It's okay. Say, mmm, delicious. Mmm, sweet potatoes. Oh, is it good?
Just pick a little off her chin.
Ready? Mmm. Mmm. Is it good? Is it good? Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Mmm. Daddy, I'm saving that for later. What is it? You like it now? A little bit? Say, I don't know, Mom. Ready? Toot, 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 toot. Here it comes. Here it comes. Say, ah. Mmm. Delicious. Is it good? Is it good? Do you love it?
Not sure the camera's capturing the anguish.
Is it delicious?
You know, I wonder,
Here we go.
you are supposed to do this after the feeding, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it just seems like she would eat it better if she was hungry.
But her nutrition has to come from the formula. We don't want her to get full on this. Oh.
Oh, sweetheart. Oh, baby. Yeah, the anguish doesn't show up. Poor kiddo.
It's not so bad. It's not so bad. What? It's different, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what I hear?
Yummy. Yeah. Good girl. I keep.
Is there one more bite? You can touch it. It's okay. Oh. You okay? Do you want a little more? No. Say we're done, huh?
Really?
That was not a good picture. That's okay.
Oh, come on. She can try a little more.
Daddy wants to give you a little more. We're going to try one more bite.
Olivia, it's okay.
So don't force me, Daddy.
It's okay.
You want to try it or no?
Here, I gotta try a little bit.
Just try one bite. If she doesn't want it, she doesn't want it. Oh, say, Daddy,
Olivia.
I'm done.
Try a little bit.
Oh, baby, she doesn't want it.
No.
Oh, sweetie. We're all finished.